So the sun has finally come out on day 6 of my January gardening challenge. So let me know if you're enjoying the series so far. Are you guys gardening along with me? What sort of jobs are you doing? So today's video, I'm going to get stuck into a little island bed that I created. It did okay last year, but I'm going to give it a good winter tidy now, setting it up ready for spring. So let's get into today's video. Now this is the island bed in question. We have a fern on the far right, Persicaria towards the middle, and a Salix hot lips on the left. In the middle there we have a tracycarpus fortunei, which needs a little bit of pruning with the yellowing leaves. I'm actually going to take the outer yellow leaves off, as they've got damage on as well. If they were just yellow, I would perhaps just feed them up. And on the back side of it there, we've got a grass that looks a little bit worse for wear, so we're going to do some winter maintenance just on this. We're also going to give it a brand new edge where the lawn meets the actual block paving as well. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start with my fern. I actually got these once I joined a local gardening club. Somebody was giving them away for free, but they've been absolutely amazing in my garden. But as you can see, it's time for them to have a really good prune. This bed needs a really good weed as well. That's just everywhere else really in the garden. But I'm starting to feel better about things already. I'm going to tip prune all my Persicaria. Persicaria, if you're not sure what that looks like, I'll put a picture in right now. But it's done really, really well this year for me. So really all I'm doing here, I'm tidying out the dead leaves that I should have done quite a while ago, and taking out the straggly growth, any growth that's come through here. This was one tracycarpus that struggled quite a lot last year, and I don't really know why, but it only got planted this year I suppose, so you always take a little bit of time to get going. But nevertheless, compared to my other ones, it still took a little bit of time. These are the ones that I'm taking off. Like I said, it's got quite a lot of damage and quite a lot of yellowing. Everything else is going to stay on there. Got an old brugmansia that I left out, that is now done. And then I've got a really nice Salix hot lips just here that I'm just going to do a slight tip prune on. You can see some damage there just off the top, which it will get a little bit more damaged yet if we have some more harsh weather, but it makes me feel a little bit more productive if I give everything a little prune. Now I'm going to give this grass a little bit of a prune here, just because I've got lots of new growth coming from the base, and it's the top of the growth is just looking a little bit worse for wear. That's going to put it in a really good position for spring to put out some new growth and not concentrate on trying to make that old growth look much better. So it's time for a really good weed through here. Then we'll come on to edging these block pavers. And doesn't it look better already? I've got quite, if you can see that, a curve on the spade there, which is obviously quite normal, but it really doesn't help when I put a shape in like this.
But it'll definitely look better for it once it's done. And I'm just going to get all the grass from in between. And in the spring I am going to fill these with a little bit of concrete as well. That's one job I never got around to last year. But I like the edges to be like the dead growth with a few weeds. It makes such a difference. Almost looks like someone lives here again.
There we go. There we have it, all tidied up, all re-edged, slightly pruned and weeded through this small bed. So it's certainly paying off spending some time in the garden. Everything's starting to look as it should. There we have it. I hope this video has inspired you to get out in the garden, even if it is just a little job like I've done today. If you are enjoying the series, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, let me know how you're getting on. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the garden.